Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can use S3 Lifecycle Manager in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in our S3 dashboard. If I want to apply Lifecycle Manager on my hyphen bucket 0092, open this bucket. Now go to management. Here we have Lifecycle Manager rules. Click on create Lifecycle rule. In rule name, type any meaningful name. In rule scope, choose apply to all objects and click on I acknowledge. In Lifecycle rule action, you can choose multiple rules. For example, I want to move current version between storage and I want to add expiration for our current versions. Now further scroll down to these transitions. Here in choose storage class transitions, you can choose multiple transitions for your storage classes. For example, in standard IA, I am choosing default value of 30 days and now I want to add another transition. For this, click on add transition. Here I am choosing Glacier. Minimum days for Glacier is 90. So I am adding 90 days, and further scroll down to expire current versions of object. For example, I am adding 100 days. After 100 days our objects will expire. Further scroll down, here in review you can see our current version of objects. After 30 days it will move to standard IA, and after 90 days it will move to Glacier, and after 100 days these objects will expire. And click on create rule. Here you can see our rule is created successfully and status of this rule is enabled. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.